So welcome to the Techy Roque, and in this video you will know how to use your earpiece speaker rather than your back speaker or the down speaker or the primary speaker, as you know. So if you wanna listen via the front speaker, your earpiece speaker, so for this you just need an app that is named called Earpiece, and there are so many, but I prefer this one because it has a rating of good, two option. What you choose, audio through earpiece and your volume booster. And if you enable the volume booster, then you can boost your volume of your primary speaker audio through earpiece, and you can also enable the use proximity. So I am disabling, and and now what you play, all your music play through the your front speaker, that's being the earpiece speaker. And you can see the earpiece sound. It's not too much clear, but you can use if you wanna listen through your earpiece. You can also use proximity sensor. As you can see the lightning off if I place a finger on it on my proximity sensor. So you can use at your own. You can listen at your own through this earpiece. You can also watch YouTube videos by the earpiece. I mean, actually, you can listen. So thanks for watching.